Hey guys, Adam here. Welcome back to my channel. So, yeah, some of you probably noticed that I am missing my beard. I had to shave it off again. For whatever reason, I'm not sure why. I've run into a case of alopecia barbi. So that's where I was getting big patches of hair missing in my beard. And I always, used to grow such a glorious beard. So I'm even still missing some here in my eyebrow too. So I'm not sure what's going on. My doctor thinks it's stress. I'm not sure. I don't feel stressed. I'm still eating, training, sleeping. So I feel fine. So anyway, I have a referral to see a dermatologist to see what's up. Maybe there's something else there besides stress. So anyway, yeah, that's that. So hopefully it grows back again full and back to normal. So today's video, I bought an official Mark Bell Slingshot. So I'm going to try that out today. I bought the original red version, which is supposed to add 10 to 15% to your 1 rep max. And currently that 1 rep max is about 365. And you're supposed to wait and use it at around 275. So we'll try that out today for the first time. I've never tried one. I'm kind of excited to see where I fall. And with that, let's get this video started. Hopefully my dreams of being a jacked mall Santa are not ruined. Okay, we're trying something a little different today, guys. I am training with a good friend of mine, Mason McDonald, who has also never tried a slingshot. So I'm going to let him go first to be nice, and there will be no voiceover. This video will be in real time with our reactions to the slingshot. I hope you enjoy this video and will consider subscribing to this channel if you are new. I will say this though, I loved the slingshot and look forward to programming it into my training. We added the slingshot in at 315 pounds, but didn't film it. And sorry guys, I apologize in advance for the slingshot pulling my shirt up. So easy. That was so freaking easy.
Is your little video going?
Yeah, man.
I don't want to miss this. We might only get one shot at this.
Nice.
It's getting heavy.
Yeah.
That one was heavy.
That one was heavy?
Yeah, that one was heavy. Yeah. That one was heavy. Maybe you won't find it heavy. Make sure it comes off the chest hard. You can lift off. Yep. Doing great. Whew. I'm just trying to pin it back when you come up. Because it's, like they're bouncing off the post here. How's that?
Fucking easy, man.
Was it?
Oh, so easy. So easy.
I didn't find mine as easy. All right, fast,
All right, there,
395.
amigo. Yep, here you go, buddy.
Yeah.
Yes, that's much better. That was easy. That was much better than the 385.
Yeah, that was a very easy one. I mean, I can still feel some mass to it, but. All right, can you lift off? 1, 2. $395, no problem.
Wow. I felt that one. That was the first rep that I felt like, okay, this is getting hard now.
I think. If anything, it might have to be faster.
So easy. Didn't do a thing.
Something's tearing somewhere. Either my pec or my the thing.
Wait, felt that?
I feel it.
Yeah.
It's not really tearing it, but there's definitely some forces. It might even be that cutting into me.
Oh, probably.
You know what I mean?
All right, stay with me. 1, 2, 3.
All you. I didn't have to touch it.
Wow. Wow.
Big.
That brings back memories when I was bigger and stronger. Wow. Well, yeah, it's definitely, you're right. I mean, it does give you 10 to 50%. I remember, because 15% of 365 was 415.
Yeah.
So there you go. I mean, that's right in that.
Yeah. No, I agree. That's exactly it. Like that's right there. And I think if we didn't play around at the lower weights quite so much, I could have gone a little heavier.
Yeah.
It wouldn't have been much.
Well, I just didn't know how this thing was going to go. Eh?
Yeah, sure.
But and I gotta tell you, man, I was hesitant. I mean, I haven't unracked 4 plates, in a long fucking time.
Sure. Keep going here. What do you got? Wow, it feels light. Yeah, mine did too for the first 15. Yeah. 10. Nice. 16. 17. 18. 19. One more. Oh,
I didn't have it.
you could have tried.
I could have, but I'm too old and wise for that.
My fucking check.